Hey dear, how was your science paper? Oh mom, it was very easy. Out of 80, 78 marks, so definitely sure I'm going to score. After a few days, science paper मिला मिला कितने marks मिले 65. You were telling you will get 78 at least and you got 65. वही तो क्या प्रॉब्लम हुआ आई डोंट नो हाउ डिड आई लूज मार्क्स इन साइंस I wrote everything, I was knowing everything, each and every question I answered, but still I lost my marks. God knows how and why. This question arises in the mind of many students when they face such problem after the exam, and this video is to answer your why and how. So if you watch this video till end, I assure you best marks as you expect in your next science paper. Not only mathematics, in science also students do many silly mistakes. So in spite of knowing everything, in spite of being intelligent, still they lose marks. Why? Let's see one by one why students lose marks in science and in what way they can improve their marks in this subject. The very first thing is science is not the theoretical subject like the other subject like languages or history or something like that. It's the concept oriented subject. You have to understand the concept, that's it. We can't predict that what type of question will be asked in exam based on that particular concept. For example, difference between metals and non-metals, and there are few exceptional cases. There are many possible questions which can be asked on this. Write the properties of metals, write the properties of non-metals, difference between metals and non-metals, why metals are used in domestic wiring, why metals are used in making jewelry, why the metal like sodium is stored under kerosene. So there are so many possible questions based only on the basic properties of metals and non-metals. So science is not the subject only to read and by heart. Science is to understand the concept thoroughly, deeply. So focus on the concept, don't focus only on the matter what you are reading. So focus on understanding and not only on reading. So the first very important point what you have to remember. Now the next interesting part comes here is diagrams. Diagrams actually is the scoring part in science paper. Just go through one science paper and count the number of marks reserved for the diagrams. You'll be surprised to know the marks reserved for the diagrams. And students ignore this. Oh, ये तो diagram है. I can do it. No need to practice this. इसमें कुछ by heart करने की बात नहीं है. It's very easy. No, it's not so easy as you think. Diagram too requires thorough practice and how to present that diagram in the paper. That too is very important. We have made one video exclusively only on diagrams. Go through that. Then you will understand how important is diagram and what precautions you have to take while drawing diagram in your science paper. So never ignore this scoring part of your science paper, that is diagram. The next part is, yes, you understood the question and you are ready to write the answer. Science never expect lengthy stories, essay-like answers. Science expect short, smart, to the point answer. So always practice writing science answer in point. Yes, this is the question. So what point and what keywords I have to include in this answer? Writing lengthy, messy answers and somewhere in between the keywords or your concept, you just hide in that, then the paper correction becomes very difficult. And this can also be the reason to lose your few precious marks. So focus on writing short, smart and to the point answers. And this you have to do right from the beginning when you start studying your lessons. Make your own study notes. Your own study notes are definitely going to help you, especially in your science paper. If not of any other subject, at least prepare your own study notes of science. And how to prepare the study notes? Of course, we have video even for this important concept. Next, one more important part comes in this science paper is numerical problems. I don't know why the students are scared of the problems in the science paper. If you look at these problems carefully, properly, and if you understand them, you will find that problems in science papers are much easier than the problems in your maths paper. Yes, numerical problems of science are very easy. Just practice them. They are straight way formula based. Straight away the simple concept based. So practice numerical problem. Just check how to apply the formulas, how to select the formulas, and for that make one separate formula list in advance itself to practice the numerical problems. Actually, if you check, you have very few formulas in science compared to maths. So don't ignore numerical problems of science. Even they are the scoring part. Yes, you can score 100% marks in the problems of science paper. So don't ignore it. Practice it right from the beginning. Now, last, but even this is very interesting, studying at the last moment. साइंस में इतना कुछ नहीं है स्टडी करने के लिए. जस्ट इफ यू रीड वंस इट्स इजी. Yes, few students even think this, that there are no lengthy answers, there are no lengthy essays or something like that in science. We have to just write to the point answers. So science I will study at last. This is the biggest mistake what the students do. No, actually science is the subject. As I said, you have to study the concept. You have to digest those concepts so that you can answer any type of question based on that particular concept. I again repeat, we cannot predict the questions based on one particular concept. They can ask any type of question based on any particular topic, or as I said, any particular concept. So never ignore the science subject and never say, no, I'll study it at last, आराम से हो जाएगा. No, कभी नहीं होगा. So you have to study science right from the beginning and understand the topics properly. So hope now you understood. You are not doing any big mistake. It's unknowingly you are doing only few mistakes, and because of this you are losing marks in science subject. So what simple things you have to remember to score best marks in science? Study concepts properly. Never ignore diagram. Present your answers properly. Presentation is very important in science. Yes. Presenting your answers properly in points is very important in science. Then numerical problems, and as I said, never ignore your science subject. So just pay attention to the simple points, and as I said, I assure you best marks in your coming science paper. So those who have watched this video till this point, definitely you are going to score best marks if you follow all the things what I have explained in this video. And if you want even your friends to score best marks in science paper, do share this video among your friends. And to get the updates of such interesting and helpful videos, press the subscribe button. So my dear students, apart from this, if you face any problem in any other subject, especially in maths and science, drop your query in our comment box. We will definitely try to help you out. So subscribe our channel, follow our channel for such interesting videos. So my dear students, my dear viewers, thank you so much for watching this video.